Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is learning Nukta. Our today's topic is learning Nukta, and my dear students, today is our lecture number 23 and SW number 23. And my dear students, today is our revised class. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet or Arabic letters with Nukta and without Nukta. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, at first look at the board. My dear students, we know that there are 29 Arabic alphabets or letters, and from these 29 Arabic alphabet or letters, there are 15 letters are with Nukta. There are 15 letters are with Nukta, and my dear students, there are 14 letters are without Nukta. My dear students, today we will learn these 15 letters are with Nukta and these 14 letters are without Nukta. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, at first we will learn 15 letters are with Nukta. 15 letters are with Nukta. Okay my dear students, first number my dear students, our Arabic alphabet letters with Nukta is Ba. Then Ta, my dear students, Ta has 2 drops on Nukta. Then Sa, my dear students, you see here Sa has taken 3 drops on Nukta. Then my dear students, it is also called, my dear students, drops, Nukta or point. It is called in Arabic Nukta, and it is called in English point or drops. Okay my dear students, then Jim has a 1 drops or point or Nukta. Then my dear students, this Kha, not Kha. This is Kha. Kha has a point or Nukta, 1 point. Then this is Zal. My dear students, you have to pronounce this one very softly. Zal. Zal has a 1 point or Nukta. Then my dear students, Za. This one is Za. Za. The sound will be buzzing. Za. Za. Za has a 1 point or Nukta. Then my dear student, this one is Shin. Shin. This sound will be dashing. Shin has 3 drops, 3 point or 3 Nukta. Okay my dear student, then this one is Dot. Dot has a 1 point or Nukta. Then Zo. You have to pronounce this one very softly. Zo has a 1 point or Nukta. Then this one is Goin, my dear students. Goin has a 1 Nukta or point. My dear students, you have to pronounce this one Goin, not Gain. Goin. Then this one is Fa, and Fa has a 1 drop or Nukta or point. Then this one is Qaf, my dear students. This is called Dui Nukta wala Qaf. Dui Nukta wala Qaf, not Kaf. You have to pronounce this one Qaf. My dear student, Qaf has 2 point or Nukta. Then this one is Noon, my dear students. Noon has 1 point or Nukta. Then my dear student, this one is Ya. You know that Ya has 2 point or Nukta. Ya has 2 Nukta or point. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have learned 15 letters are with Nukta. Now we will learn 14 letters are without Nukta. My dear students, these 14 letters are Alif. Alif has no drops or Nukta or point. Then Ha has no Nukta or point. Then Dal has no Nukta or point. Then Ra has no Nukta or point. Then Sin, my dear students, Sin has no Nukta or point. Then Sod has no Nukta or point. Then Ain and Ain has has no Nukta or point. Then Ain has no Nukta or point. Then my dear student, this one is Moddokhane Pechano Kaf. You have to pronounce this one Kaf. Kaf has no nukta or point. Then lam has no nukta and point. Then mim, my dear student, this one mim has no nukta or point. Then waw, then ha and hamza. My dear student, these 14 letters have no nukta and point, my dear student, and these 15 letters are with nukta and these 14 letters are without nukta. So my dear students, alhamdulillah, we have learned today 14 letters are with nukta and 15 letters are with nukta and 14 letters are without nukta. Okay, my dear students, alhamdulillah, today we have learned 15 letters are with nukta and 14 letters are without nukta. My dear students, you will make SW as SW number 23 at your home. 14 letters with nukta. You will make SW at your home. 15 letters are with nukta. 15 letters are with nukta. 15 letters are with nukta. In this pattern, you will make SW at your home. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.